Hey everybody, John Hinds here, owner and founder of the Monkey Bar Gymnasium. I've been a strength coach for over 41 years. I've been a yogi for over 23 years. I've worked with super high-end celebrities at the acting level, influencers like Tony Robbins. I've been working with super high professional level athletes as well as college and all types of common folk all over the world. There's one common theme that I've seen that really has affected all people, and that's lack of active range of motion. And what I mean by that is in life, we have a full range of motion. When you see a little kid or some athlete that's just at a super high level, they're vibrant, they're super energetic. Physically, there's nothing that's holding them back. That is optimal in life, super high energy. Physically, they're unbridled. They're emotional, their spirit is off the charts. That is what we all want. But what happens in life? Stress, pandemic, injuries, age, weight, just environmental stress at work or from the air or toxic foods or whatever it be. What happens to our body, mind, and spirit is that we begin to lack active range of motion. And this affects us, everybody, as we age. We start to maybe move less, and so our shoulders start to creep down. And with lack of movement skills comes lack of confidence mentally, and therefore then our spirit cannot be as strong. So what did we want to do? Jessie and my wife, who is my wife, we decided to make a course that is all about bringing back range of motion mentally, physically, and spiritually. This is what we call our Body Mastery Program. And it is a program that is just designed to bring more range of motion to your life. And who is this program for? It's for athletes, it's for people that might be overweight or depressed or stressed out like today. The world is crazy. Older, people coming off injuries, etc., etc., etc. There's so many reasons why we might get beat down today that we thought it would be a beautiful thing to have a program that offers a way to rebalance your mind, body, and spirit so that you feel amazing. Now, this program is not about just maxing out strength training. It's not about like doing a perfect pose in yoga. It's not about setting a record doing breath work or getting down to 3% body fat with your nutrition. This program is about helping you find a balance in your mind, body, and spirit. The training is going to be different than anything you've ever seen before, because we'll do strength work, but it's mind is about, the focus is about get that alignment on point first. Then the range might be smaller range. But the whole point is maintain alignment, going through different aspects of range of motion, challenging those different ranges of motion to really high levels sometimes. So you're going to get a strength component of it. You're also going to get a heavy dose of our base training, because that is the big mainframe of what we do. We are all about strengthening that which is weak. And if our posture's like this, how do we get it to extend and be live and energetic and feeling vibrant again? Increase that range of motion. Now, way back in the day, yogis started doing yoga because they saw a need for people to become balanced mentally, physically, spiritually. They started with a physical practice, a practice of a sequence of movements that they integrated breath, focus, and then also obviously the physical movements themselves. What we're doing is we're taking that to the next degree. Our base training is much more than just yoga movements. There's overhead squats, there's hanging off the bar, there's all types of different applications that challenge you to full range of active movement, not stationary positions, but active, where we'll be moving through full ranges of motion, increasing your weaknesses so that you feel strong where you were weak and balanced where you were not balanced before. This approach, done all days, 6 days a week, is going to put you in a more balanced place so you feel more energetic, your body is stronger, your alignment is more balanced, you're leaner, healthier, happier. That's the goal of this program. We hope that you join us because Jesse and I will be teaching every single class. We have over 60 years experience. Jesse and I do together in teaching the training, teaching the alignment work, the nutrition, and the breath work. So we're going to be teaching every single class. The classes are live and they're recorded. But on top of that, we also have seminars by experts in each field that we were talking about. We're going to be talking about alignment training, the strength training components of it. But we're also going to bring in some experts that are going to help you with nutrition and even breath work that will help you dial it in so you get more out of this entire course. We hope that you join us. It's going to be amazing, and it'll be an amazing way for you to start the year.